The first step in this process is to record your own video. Now you can use your phone or any other device you might have. Today I'm going to use the Photo Booth app in my computer. You can see it has a camera option, which gives me a nice countdown to get ready. Or if I move to the left, I have an option here to record a video. It offers me the same countdown before it begins recording. And when I'm done, I click stop. And there we go. Now that I've recorded my video, I need to go to File and Export to save it to my hard drive. From there, I can upload it onto Stream or any other file sharing site that I wish. Now that I have my video, I'm going to upload it into Stream. The first place I'm going to go on my district dashboard is the Office 365 icon. Once that's loaded in, I can look through my frequently used icons and see that Stream is there. If I don't have it there, I may have to look under All Apps. Once I select Stream, it'll pull up my personal page. From there, I have some options at the top to create new content or look at my content. We're going to start by selecting my content, and here you can see I have access to videos, groups, channels, and even meetings that I might have scheduled. Under Create, I can upload a video, create a live event, or even start a new group or channel. We're going to take a look at my channels, and you can see that I have my own personal page for my classroom right here. I've called it Mr. Wohlsleigel's World, and students can follow me or anyone else who wishes. Now that my page is set up, we're going to create a new video. I'm going to start by uploading. Once I select Upload from the Create drop-down menu, I can browse my computer to find the option that I want. When I select my file, it should begin uploading immediately. The first thing it's going to ask me to do is to give it a name and a brief description. Once I've input that information, I have a couple other options at the bottom as far as file sharing permissions and what thumbnail I want to use. Now that I put in all the necessary information, I can publish my video or I could share it. It's important to note that you have to publish the video before anybody can see it. So let's look under My Videos. As this one is not yet uploaded, it's still in process. If I go to the right, I have this icon here that allows me to add this video to a specific group or channel. If I have a class page and it's linked into Teams, the video will upload automatically to my class. Now that my video has been uploaded, we're going to click on it to look at the different information that's available. First and foremost, a transcript is automatically created of the video that I've made. That makes it very easy for students to find specific information within the video itself. Now, under Interactivity at the top here, I can add a form if I want to assess what the students have gathered from the video. Forms are a great way to assess what your students know. Once I select Add Form, it's going to ask me for a specific URL. So now I have to go back to my dashboard and open my Forms icon. Once Forms is loaded in, I can select the form that I want. Let's go ahead and choose Go Math 12.3 check. When I open it, I have a Share option at the top. Selecting my Share option, I want to include Send and Collect responses. When I copy this URL and I go back to my video, I paste it right in the box here. Once that's been pasted, I can add it to my timeline. Let's give it a name. Now that I've linked my form, it's important to note that I've selected the specific time I want my form to interject into my video. At this point, it's 3 minutes and 47 seconds. It'll offer me an option, which is a hyperlink to open my form right in the video. Now students could take the form as an assessment, and when they're finished, just click Continue to Video. One of the great benefits of Stream is that I can input a channel directly into my Microsoft Teams. When I open my Teams, I have the plus at the top of the screen. When I select it, I have a list of apps that I can input here. I'm going to go ahead and select the Stream app. Now when it brings up the Stream app, it's going to give me a couple options. First, it's going to know whether I want a channel or a specific video. I'm going to input an entire channel. To do this, I go back to my Stream page and pull up the channel that I want to input. This is going to be Mr. Wohlsleigel's World. Using the 3 dots, I select Share. This gives me the embed code that I can copy and paste right here into my Microsoft Teams account. When I select the page that I want, I just click Save. Now that I've saved my channel, you can see that under my Teams account, it inputs right at the top of the page. One of the tabs is the entire channel itself, so even as my students move throughout Microsoft Teams, when they select the channel, every video that I've put on that channel is available to them. They could even search to find specific content. As I upload new videos, they'll automatically be added to that Teams page.